Hey guys, welcome back to the Middle Earth Collector channel. Today I have another statue I'd like to show you, and it is of Theoden on Snowmane here. I hope you guys enjoy this. Let's get right into it. And I'm really excited because I've been waiting since beginning of last year when it came out in pre-order, and really excited about this one. So I hope you guys enjoy this. But I'm going to show you the front and back of this box because it is just beautiful, and the inside of the flap here too. So just to get a better picture of this, you can see there, very cool. Turn this around. Really cool art on the back of the box. And then show you here too. You can see the inside here where it's all the artwork, all the sculpturing, and the write up on him and everything. So yeah, let's open her up now. One sec here. So I got her out of the box. It is just amazing. Just the overview here. Then I will give you some close-ups. Just amazing piece, you guys. I absolutely love it. Very cool piece. I've always liked the Rohirrim, Numenorians, anything to that nature. So very cool piece. Now I'm going to show you some close-ups here. You're going to love this. So here I'm going to start with this portrait. Looks pretty darn cool, guys. Absolutely love it. And I love his helm. And look at this. Here's his armor. And that's his sheath that you put on the side here. And his chainmail. And get a load of this shield. It is freaking cool. It is freaking cool. But this is what gets me here, guys. Look at the details of this horse. Oh my Lord. So much detail in there. Love the hair on it. Love the mane. The horse is just tremendous. Then the front of the horse. His legs and hooves are pretty darn cool. Lots of detail on that. Let me get a load of this. Look at the side profile. Absolutely love it. This is just an amazing piece, you guys. Absolutely amazing. And then look how, with the stirrups, put the feeder in, chainmail on this side. So cool. And the saddle. Just amazing. And then there's his tail. An action pose. Running to the Pelennor fields. So cool. And awesome. And look at his hooves on the bottom here. All metal and everything. And I know some people have been having issues. Mine did get a slight fracture in the front leg, as you can see there. I don't know what happened. Just probably because of packaging, or somebody dropped the box or whatever. Just unfortunate. Just being at a brittle point that how they packaged it, or the shipping people just didn't care, just dropped the box. I don't know. But look at the eye on the horse. That's just amazing. But that's to be a given that shipping would be able to do that. And the stirrups on this side, his boots and everything, so cool. And then just the ground here, so gnarled up on the Pelennor Fields. So cool. I absolutely love this piece, guys. It is awesome. Look at the shield again. And then go back up to his portrait again. And then the ever so famous Peregrine Theoden sword. Just so cool. There's the gauntlets. Just a cool piece, guys. Absolutely love it. Absolutely love it. It's just amazing. Look at that. Can tell it's Bernard Hill. Just switch to the other side so you can see the back side of his helm. So cool. So my hat's off to Weta for pulling off a great statue, just minus the packaging, which could be better. Or it could be the shipping, like the company that ships it. You guys got to be very careful because these are fragile pieces and they are very expensive. And so, yeah. Just an absolutely fantastic piece. Now it is time for you to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, see you guys soon.